All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Yesterday I took a little break, didn't do a video, didn't do anything, but today I decided to go for a little afternoon ride. I got to run up and get a helmet. My wife's sister borrowed my wife's helmet, and I got to go up and get it. So I figured I'll slap the camera on and we'll go from there. So right now I'm riding down in what is this? Towards Mountain View, inside the area here. And this street is called Lipa Street, if I remember right. And we're going to head up to Kison Street and make a right-hand turn up there. It is about 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon. Starting to get dark, or it's sun, at least sun is going down. And hope the video is okay here. You know, up there, here is Kison Street. So we're going to head down here, and that takes us down to, let's see, what's that street called? Ansieto Guezo, or whatever, you know. And that's the street that actually takes us right up towards Marquis Mall. So that's where we're heading this afternoon or early evening. Sun is going down. Beautiful weather today. And it was a good time to get on the bike for a few minutes. I got a little help today, so we did this one a little differently. Actually, the rider in the back is Ryan, and he's actually handling the camera and the gimbal and everything. So I thought we'd just try to see how that works. All right, so this street here is the street that actually takes you from Balibago up to Marquis Mall. For those of you who have been here, you probably recognize it. And the name of the street, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I think Ansieto Gueco or something like that. They have names that are hard to pronounce here. But anyway, this takes us up to Marquis Mall, and then we're going to head off into the new shopping center up there, and we'll do a little ride. Traffic is pretty heavy tonight. It's obviously almost rush hour traffic, but the good news here is that things seems to come back to normal. You know, we've been cooped up for about 9 months, and to the left there you can see people firing up the grill, and that's a common thing here. People are coming out, selling barbecue. I guess that is to make an extra buck here and there. All right, so as you can see, the camera is a little different today. You can spin it around, and hope you enjoyed the ride. Ryan is silent back there. He is not a boy or man of many words. And I told him, you know, jump in and talk to us. And he said, oh, I don't know what to say. But he's riding here with me, so. And he's been doing pretty good camera work. We tested it a little bit a couple of days ago, and it seems to be working out pretty good. Look at the clouds up there, guys. Pretty cloud formation with that light cloud in the behind, a little darker. Okay, so here we're coming up to Sharpies. This is a new development, new like strip mall, mostly restaurants in there. There is a few shops, and I know there is like a veterinarian for animals, but mostly restaurants around here. And I've been wanting to go there. We did a video around this area just before the COVID or Christmas, whatever you want to call it, hit us, and we never got to go up there. But I hear the food is good, so that'll be on our list to do here in the near future. We'll probably do another vlog in there, you know, with the restaurant. I think I'm going to start doing a little bit more food vlogs. People seems to like it, and feature some restaurants, and one of the first ones we'll do will probably be a Korean all you can eat, but we'll see what happens there. So this street we just were on, going by that new mall, is a kind of an unnamed street, but we are going to head up on Magalang, Angelus Road, and that will take us up towards Magalang. Janice's sister moved up there, and they needed to borrow her helmet for a day or two, and we're gonna head on up there. Here is one of the larger Toyota dealers here in this area, and I'm not in the what do you say, market to buy a car. I'm going to stick to my motorcycle. I might trade at some point up for a little bigger one. I would like to be able to go on the highway, but that'd be it for me. The car is not on my shopping list at this point. Alright, so the bridge we're coming up on here is crossing the NLEX, I think it's called, yes, the toll road that goes into Manila, and we're just crossing that bridge right now. Traffic in here is a little tight still, but you know, you get used to it. You live here like me for 7 years, you get used to it. When you're out here, you cannot be in a hurry, for sure. And if you are, you might end up in a hospital. I've seen some crossings, people crossing each other's path without even looking around, and a lot of times it doesn't end up good. But so far we have been lucky. I never had an incident really. I got hit from behind by a trike once, and he said I stopped too quickly, and I said you stayed too close, so let's go and see the police. And he said, no, please, no. And that ended that thing. So I got his license, and I said I'll let you know what the cost would be when I get my bikes fixed. And I didn't have the heart to do it. There was not too much damage. Mainly my rear light, the little red light in the back of the bike got destroyed, but I just ordered one, never called him back. God bless him. It was, he didn't do it intentionally. It was actually a little rainy day, so it was a little slippery too, so he probably slipped in too close, and that's how it goes sometimes. All right, so this is the Magalang, Angelus Magalang Road. There is also a Mabalacat Magalang Road, and that one goes out from the other side of Magalang into Mabalacat. So the other day we took a ride there, and I had that Motovlog out, and we were supposed to go into Mabalacat, but it was getting dark and I missed a turn, and when I missed that turn I ended up all the way up north in Tarlac, and my wife said, "You don't know where you are?" And I said, "I think I do," but I didn't. So anyway, we ended up in Capas, and when we got out there, we had 23 kilometers to go back home, and the whole ride should have been less than that. So, but anyway, it was nice. I enjoy getting out a little bit. Now we haven't been sitting on a bike a lot, and I just told Ryan here today, I said I think I've driven more in the last week and a half than I did in the previous 9 months, so it's a good thing. Alright, so we are nearing the destination. It's called Sapang Maisak Barangay Hall. So I think it's called Barangay Sapang, and they have Puroks, Purok 1, 2, 3, and we're hitting Purok number 3. So we got to try to figure out what that is, and so we can go and pick up that helmet. Ryan was just asking me, where are we going? He didn't know his tita, auntie, had moved up here, so now we're getting close, so let's open it up. I hope this microphone system is working. I know it's picking up some wind, but I've been experimenting the last few days to try to see if I can get it right. It's hard. You get it right. I don't like the helmet microphones, but maybe that's what I have to revert to eventually. We'll see. Alright, so we are nearing the destination here. So let's let me talk a little bit about our channel and some changes I'm doing, at least now for December and the Christmas holiday. I decided to cut it down to one live feed a week, and that will now be on Sundays, guys, at 9:15 a.m. in the Philippines, and Saturday night at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you live in Pacific Time, it should be 5:15, but you'll figure that one out. So we are at our destination here, and thank you for riding with us, and I hope you enjoy this little ride, and we go from there, and we'll see you at the next video, and that'll be tomorrow. God bless. See ya. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.